Hi, in this video we will show you how we can easily download and install the current Eclipse version on your Windows. First, let's go to any web browser. Type Eclipse. Press Enter. On pressing Enter, the official website is visible, eclipse.org. Click on it. Click on the top right, Download button. Once we click on the Download button, it will be redirected to the Downloads page. Here you can see the current version. Eclipse includes Java, so we don't need to install Java separately. Click on Download x86/64. Click on Download to start the downloads. So the download started. Let's wait for a few seconds. Once download finished, double-click on it to install. Close or minimize the browser. Now you can see the Eclipse installer has been started. Select for which purpose you want to use Eclipse IDE. The most popular is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. But if you want to use Eclipse IDE for C++ or PHP, or for other programming languages, you can choose that from this list. Right, we are going to install Eclipse IDE for Java, so we are going to choose the first option, which is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You can now see it automatically took Java. Here is the installation folder for Eclipse. You can change it from here if required, but keep it default. Click on Install. Click on Accept now. Now the installation will begin. Wait for some time until Eclipse downloads all the packages and install them on your Windows. We have successfully installed Eclipse. The desktop shortcut is also visible. Click on Launch. For the first time, when you start Eclipse IDE, it's going to ask you to provide the workspace folder, so this will be the folder where all your Eclipse project will be saved. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default. You can also check this checkbox which says use this as the default and do not ask again. Then click on Launch. Once Eclipse IDE is launched, it's going to look like this. Go to File. Click on New. Then click on Java Project. Give a project name. Execution environment, keep the default or choose what you want. You can also choose this option which says use the project-specific JRE. From here you can select the JDK version for your project. Click on Next. So on the next window, you will see this kind of interface. Leave everything as default because this is just a sample project. Click on the Finish button. Our project got created. Close this. Project will be visible here. Now let us create a new Java file by right-clicking on src, that is the source directory. New. Then select Class. This will create a new Java class. Give a name. Then the modifier will be public, so just leave it as a default. Here, which method stubs would you like to create? Select this option which says public static void main, so it's going to create the public static void main method, which is the main method for Java for us. Then click on Finish. You can see the class is created. Let us write something quickly, a very simple code for printing Hello World. Just type system.out.println. So this is the method which you use to print some text. Inside the double quotes, we can just write type some test. Once you are done, you can save by go to File, then click on Save. Or Ctrl+S. If you want to run this project, you have these buttons here. Click on Run button. Here, you can see Hello World is printed. That means Eclipse IDE is working fine on your Windows. That's it. In this video we saw how we can install the current Eclipse version and run the first Java program on Eclipse. Hope this video helps you. For more videos please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.